Now you will hear a short conversation about baking cookies. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hi, Lily. Are you ready to make cookies today?
Yes, Grandpa. I'm so excited. What do we do first?
First, wash your hands. That's very important.
Okay, my hands are clean now.
Good. Let's get the big bowl. Can you put the flour in it?
This white powder? How much?
Just 1 cup. Here's the cup. Be careful.
Got it. 1 cup of flour. What's next?
Now add sugar and butter. Then mix it all together.
Wow, it smells good. Can I mix it?
Yes, use this spoon. Mix it slowly, Lily.
It's hard to mix. My arm is tired.
You're doing great. Soon we'll bake them. Then we can eat them.
Yay, cookies!
What is the conversation mainly about? What is the first thing Grandpa tells Lily to do? Now you will hear a short conversation about a lost item at school. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Excuse me, Mr. Davis? Yes, Emily. What can I help you with?
I lost my lunchbox. I can't find it anywhere.
Oh dear, where did you last see it?
I think I had it in the cafeteria during lunch. Then I went to art class. What does it look like? It's blue with a picture of a cat on the front. It has my name, Emily, written on it in big letters. Okay. Did you check your desk in the art room? Sometimes things get left behind. Not yet. I came straight here. All right, first check the art room. If it's not there, go to the lost and found box in the main office. I'll ask Mrs. Lee to check the cafeteria too. Thank you, Mr. Davis. I hope I find it. I had a sandwich inside.
What is the conversation mainly about? Why did Emily go to Mr. Davis? Now you will hear a short lecture about wolves. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Today, we're going to talk about wolves. Wolves are very interesting animals. They live together in groups called packs. A wolf pack is like a family. Usually, a pack has a mother wolf, a father wolf, and their children. Sometimes other relatives also join the pack. Living in a pack helps wolves a lot. For example, when they hunt for food, they work together. If a wolf hunts alone, it's hard to catch big animals like deer. But when many wolves hunt together, they can catch larger prey. They surround the animal and work as a team. This makes hunting much easier and more successful. Also, living in a pack helps protect them from danger. Young wolves learn how to hunt and survive from the older wolves in the pack. So being part of a pack is very important for wolves to live and thrive.
What is the talk mainly about? According to the talk, what is one advantage of wolves hunting together? Now you will hear a short lecture about glaciers. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hello, everyone! Today, we're going to talk about something really interesting, glaciers. What are glaciers? Well, they are very large bodies of ice. But not just any ice. This ice is found on land, usually in very cold places, like high mountains or near the North and South Poles. Think of them like huge, slow-moving rivers made of ice instead of water. They are incredibly powerful, even though they move slowly. How do glaciers move? This is fascinating. Even though they are solid ice, they do move. They move very, very slowly, sometimes only a few centimeters a day. They move mainly because of gravity, just like water flows downhill. The immense weight of the ice itself also helps them slide and flow. So, the ice is so heavy and gravity pulls it down, causing the glacier to flow slowly over the land. It's a continuous, very gradual movement over many, many years.
What is the talk mainly about? Why do glaciers move?